Assalamu alaikum. For today's lesson, we're going to look at the phrase man. And the word man means who. So for example, who is this? Now so far we've looked at the word ma, which means what, or you could say more specifically, what is. So for example, ma hadha, what is this? But today's lesson we're just going to focus on the word who, which is man. Now the way you ask who is this is man. So there are two forms of the word man which can be used. For example, who is this in the masculine form and in the feminine form. So we've already looked at the masculine and feminine forms of this is. So the only thing that changes is the form of this is, but not the word man itself. So man hadha, who is this? Man, who, and the word hadha means this but in the masculine form. So man hadha, who is this? And to say in the feminine form, man hadhihi. Man hadhihi means who is this, but the only difference is it's a feminine phrase or word. So you can't say to a man, man hadhihi, you have to use man hadha. Now, to say who is that, you use the word man again, but you use dhalika or tilka. Dhalika is the masculine form and tilka is the feminine form. So who is that? Man dhalika. Man dhalika. Man who means who. Dhalika means that, but in the masculine form. Man dhalika. Who is that? And to ask who is that, but in the feminine form, it's man tilka. And the word tilka means the same as dhalika, but the only difference is to do with the gender. So dhalika is masculine and tilka is feminine. So I'm going to go over the same exercise on just the Arabic itself. So the first phrase that we want to learn is man, and we've already covered the word ma, and man hadha, and then we've covered the feminine form of it, which is man hadhihi, and then man dhalika, and then it's man tilka. So man hadha, who is this? Man dhalika, who is that? Man hadhihi, who is this? Man tilka, who is that? So now you should be able to pick up the different genders in each phrase. So man hadha, who is this? It's in the masculine form. Man dhalika, who is that? In the masculine form. Man hadhihi, who is this? In the feminine form. Man tilka, who is that? In the feminine form.